So almost everything that you want to do, it's a Google search away.
Pretty slick. This is like home automation, man.
Yeah.
Think about it.
Running your farm. Yeah.
And you can do that. So all this stuff is available to you, and it's all easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. It's very simple. So about 4 years ago, when I was just getting into this stuff, I had an 18-year-old kid come to me, and he bought a $5 microcontroller, and he said, "I'm gonna go automate my father's farm." I said, "Awesome, that's much cooler than the projects I've been doing." So I've just been playing with LEDs, little servos and whatnot. This 18-year-old kid went to automate his father's farm. So I got an email from him a couple weeks later, just had some basic questions about these guys' relays here. So as it turns out, you can control any AC appliance with a $5 microcontroller if you use a relay. What he did is he took his $5 Nano there, he connected up through relays, and then all he puts out is a 5-volt signal to turn the relay on or off, and that allows a huge amount of current to flow. And so he sent me some pictures. He automated his father's conveyor belt, the silo doors. It was pretty amazing, and I think he's gone even further since then. 18-year-old kid, no experience in robotics at all. This was his for fun project he just wanted to do for his dad. I needed a volunteer for this one here. So this morning I came in and I set up a gesture-controlled rotary stage. So I've created kind of my own version of the power glove here. This is a very inexpensive glove. The hardest part was probably sewing the accelerometer onto there. I'm not very good at sewing, unfortunately. So if you would please put on this glove here. And I've got power off right now, so it's not going to do anything. So the controls are very simple. You just rotate left or right, and it's not on yet, so it's not going to be working. But to turn it one way, you're going to rotate left. To turn it the other way, you're going to rotate it right. So those are the two controls that I coded this morning for you. Okay. I'm going to turn it on now. And whenever you're ready.
One speed.
This, I haven't coded it for multiple speeds yet. Yeah, so it is one speed, yeah. So here we go. This is about an hour of work to set up a gesture-controlled rotary stage here. And if you ever want to stop, just go back to the middle like that. So this is using that little $3 accelerometer that I showed you over there. Yeah. So for the motor driver there is the other piece of the puzzle. That's about $7. But in total for under $20. Actually the glove was more expensive than everything else used here, yeah.